Hey guys, it's Coleman. I'm going to start the story series. This will be first part. So let's start. Hey guys, I'm Story Queen. Today I will tell you a story of love. So let's start. There was a girl of middle class family. She did not care about the world, what is happening now and what is not. She was only concerned with her studies and work. She was not aware of what was happening around her, who and what is talking about her. She did not even know what program was going in her house. She was very innocent. She was so innocent that if she missed something about her studies, she would not even ask others. She would just manage without any reason. She came to a new school after passing 8th. She was quite attractive. People longed to talk to her. Even girl. 2 years passed away. She fell in 10th standard. Many children of the year were failed. The smartest boy of their class also was failed. She was like also Mali. One day, Sir said to Mali that, "How it happened, Mali? I didn't expect you. How did you fail?" Mali bowed her head and embarrassed. All the students did the again 10th and passed and get new class. Some new student took admission. Anek Mishra was also among them. Anek was very naughty. He always used to have fun with friends and teachers in the class. But he was zero in studies. He never bothered the Mali. He respected her. Mali and his subject was same.